Hello, my name is Paul and this is Missy, and together our channel is Posture Pilates. So today I'm going to show you the pull-up or pike on the split pedal chair. I'll do an intermediate level, and then if you choose to do so, I will also offer you an advanced level. Bring your hands to the back edge of the chair. Place one foot onto the pedal and press it all the way down to the ground. Bring the other foot onto the pedal and start with the legs laterally rotated on the balls of the feet with the heels nice and lifted. Inhale to prepare. Exhale, slowly allow the pedal to lift by pulling the navel into the spine, keeping the weight of the body forward over the arms. Inhale, lower with control to bring the pedal just hovering away from the floor. Keep the tailbone tucking under and allow the crown of the head to hang towards the floor. Exhale, lift up. Inhale, lower with control. Think of the hips as lifting straight up. Avoid tipping the weight forward, bringing the shoulders in front of the wrists. Perform 5 to 6 repetitions before finishing with small pulses upwards. Lower the pedal all the way to the floor before coming side on. Keep one hand at the back of the chair and place the other hand to the side of the chair. Think of your chest facing the corner of the chair, but try to bring the pelvis and legs round to the side. Once again, exhale to lift, inhale to control down. With the twist of the torso, you should feel a strong contraction through the oblique muscles. Place one leg in front of the other with the weight still up on the toes. To increase the challenge, you could abduct the front leg. Exhale as you lift up, inhale as you control it down. Aim to lift the leg up in line with the hip, and to finish, add 6 small pulses upwards. Bring yourself round to the opposite side. Start with 3 lifts of the pedal with both feet down. Remember to rotate the pelvis round to the side. Progressing, if you wish to abducting the front leg. Finishing with the 6 small pulses upwards. To come off the chair, let the pedal lower all the way to the floor. Place one foot onto the ground and resist the pedal upwards. We hope you enjoyed the video today. If so, and would like to help us grow the channel, please consider liking, subscribing and ringing the bell to be notified of future releases.